What up, y'all? Just another video for no reason. This video is just for those who enjoy looking at the Nissan Z32. Just installed the hard pipes. Move, Bella. We got the front twin Z lip at the paint shop. I should be picking that up tomorrow. Should be done. Also got the twin Z side lips coming from the paint shop. '99 J spec rear tail lights with the centerpiece, the Labry or Specialty Z exhaust. We'll turn that on right now in a bit. Just enjoying this sunset. Well, sun hasn't set, but around this time of the day, it's beautiful. We also have the twin Z rear diffuser picking up. That's gonna be a fun installation. Let me know if you guys want to see that getting installed, or just want to see the finished product. So I took off my shadow inside there, the plastics, and I forgot to put those on, so you can see inside, but don't mind that. Anybody got a driver's seat for sale? Let me know. Northern California. We got the silent translator under there with the dual intakes. Z1. You can see that. Yep. Got the 740cc injectors. Fully rebuilt. Eagle rods. White skull spins pistons. I wish I knew how to do like little pictures on the video. I would show you guys the motor getting done. I don't know how to do that. Of course, everything from Z1 Motorsports. That just reminded me right now. I got the OEM mud flaps that we have not yet cleaned up or installed. Let me know, should I throw those on there or leave it the way it is? We just washed the RT also. It's been dirty for a while. Kids been, look at these kids, dirty. I wish I had a 3-car garage, could fit all the cars in there, but I'll show you guys my 2011 STI. Has 70,000 miles on it. Try to keep it, I mean, it's not, in perfect condition, but I mean, it's clean. I rarely drive it now. I try to take it out at least once a week. It's hard when you got that. 6-speed, super fun. Not as fun as that. I know you all agree with me. But yep. We'll show you guys probably next week finished product with the Twin Z rear diffuser, side lips, and front lip. Then let me know what you guys think down below. Subscribe if you want to see more videos of this beauty right here. They're not too, exciting. I'm not like everybody else, but I mean, at least you get to see that. So don't forget, subscribe down below, like this video. Until next time. Well, let me get you guys another look at this video or this motor before we go. Alright, we'll end the video with this. Oh no, I didn't start it for you guys. My bad. I know you guys probably want to see that. Let's grab these keys right here. You're gonna hear a little squealing, but if you guys know Nissan, it'll go away. Aubrey, go in the car and press the gas. It's not gonna go nowhere. Just push it like that. No, just Aubrey. Yeah, the big one. No, the one on the right, not the brake. Yeah, that's the left. Yeah. That's the Labrie Specialty Z exhaust. I do have cats on, and we have the mid pipe resonators. We don't have the X pipe on yet. I've been super lazy, but yep, this will be going on, and then I'll show you guys how it sounds. But for now, hey, get out of there. You guys heard it before. Nice and quiet, tame, respectable for the neighbors. It used to be super loud. I had cats off, and I had these these bad boys on there. Those ugly things. I do got these for sale. I got 2 of them. I also have the Genie exhaust. That one's a nice one too, actually. But yep, until next time, guys. Peace.